Children, you have learned A to H in your previous videos. Now today we are going to learn how to write I, J, K and L. As all of you know that we always write the date first. Suppose today's date is 3rd June. So 3rd June. So write 3 dash 6 dash 2020. 3 is the date, 6 is the month and 20 is the year. This side you will write CW. C.W. means classwork. As you know, we always write small letters from the third line. There are 4 lines in your English copy. So put your pencil on the third line and make a slant line up to second line. This line will go down and turn like this. Put a dot here. Then we have I. The second letter is J. First all of you make a curve like this. This line will go down up to 4th line. Make a loop up to 3rd line like this and put a dot here. Then we have J. The third letter is K. Make one slant line. This line will come down from the back side up to 3rd line. This line will go up on the same line and from the half of portion, this line will make a loop up to 2nd line and this line will make a curve like this. Then we have K. The last letter is L. Make one slant line and this line will come down from the back side near the previous line like this. Now again all of you write I. Make one slant line. This line will cover this slant line and curve like this. Put a dot. Then we have I. Second letter. Make one curve like this. This line will go down. Make a loop from this 3rd line like this and put a dot. Then we have J. Third letter is K. Make one slant line. Come down from the back side and this line will go up and from the center this line will make a loop and make a curve like this. Then we have K. The last letter is L. Make one slant line and come down from the back side and this line will come near the previous line like this. Make sure children, when you make L, this line will not go far from the previous line. If you will draw like this, then it will be wrong. So how to write L? Make one slant line, come down from the back side near the previous line. Make sure children, near the previous line, then you will make it correctly. Okay? Like this, you will complete this work in your school copy. Now, we are going to write in our writing book. The name of your writing book is Art of Writing. All of you open page number 9. You have completed page up to page number 8. Now today we will write page number 9. On this page, you will trace the pattern of loops like this. And all of you open page number 10. On page number 10, you will trace the lines from left to right like this. Okay, on page number 11, see, one spider's web has given. So you will trace the lines to complete the spider's web like this. Okay, now all of you open page number 13. On page number 13, small a is given. You have learned how to write small a, b. So, how to write? Put your pencil on this green dot. Make a slant line. This line will go down and come back. Cover this line half of the portion and touch here and make a tail like this. This is a small a. Like this you will complete this work and you will color this picture of ant. Okay? All of you open page number 15. On page number 15, small b is given. Okay? You have learned how to write small b. First all of you make one slant line like this and this line will come down from the back side and this line will go up to second line, make a small loop like this. This is small b. Like this you will complete this page and you will color this bear. So children, this is your homework. All of you do this work very neatly and you will do one page in one day. Now it's your homework, children. All of you use sharp pencil to complete your work. First, all of you write I, J, K and L in your English writing copy. And the second work is, all of you do page number 9, 10, 11, 13 and 15. So all of you do it very nicely. Thank you.